No, they're fun.
Played this one with Crawler about
These bots are
a week
totally
ago.
different.
Oh,
I think on these maps, once you take a point, you can't go to get the next one right
Oh,
away.
no.
You gotta fight your way. Yeah, you can't assume that the point's secure.
Oh, no, there's no breathing room. No rest.
I have to reload.
After you guys left there earlier for your
Antoine,
lunchtime,
hold this point.
those guys, all they want, they got hung up on prison, and it's all they wanted to play.
Dick. Very fun.
We need to get ready, yalla. خلي بالكم brothers.
Careful, bots are different here on the old maps. I told you, I'm dead. 2 meters. Oh, jeez. I'll be right back.
I don't know, where are they shooting me from? Must have been a ricochet, because it's shit, this place ain't got no place to hide.
Yeah.
Next one, we got out.
Look at them out there. That's these bots. Oh my god, it's like flies and bugs. Oh, I'm dead. God, I was way back at the beginning spawn. And then there was one.
Wow.
These bots are different, man.